Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming account and backup settings so you don't lose something unintentionally. Once you've signed into the correct Google account, check Backup and Sync. On means Removal Affects Cloud. Off may only clear device copies. Make sure storage states are visible so you can decide. Next, open the Google Photos app or go to Photos. Google, and navigate to the Photos or Library tab. Now perform a quick scan and get ready to select the first image or group to remove. Once you've opened the right view, select images efficiently. Long press on mobile or use the checkboxes and shift-click on desktop to select ranges. You'll save time by using search, enter dates, location or faces, or open albums to isolate groups. After selecting, tap the delete icon. Google Photos moves items to trash where they stay for 60 days. Make sure you understand that removal from the cloud also removes linked device-backed copies if backup and sync. To finish, open trash and choose empty trash to permanently delete and free up storage immediately. Otherwise, items auto-delete after 60 days. If you need a file back, use Restore from trash before it's gone. Make sure to check device storage and Google account storage quotas if deletions don't free space right away. If deletion fails, sign out and back in, confirm backup and sync and photos permissions. Enforce close or update the app. That resolves most sync or permission problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.